Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. Brown Chicken. Today I'm going to review an unboxing of this UNI smoke detector. So how it's actually got this today was from a present from one of our aunties, Uncle. And I think it's been lying around for a wee bit, but here it is. There it is, the side of the box. And it comes with a battery that lasts for 1 year, which is good. Here's some information on the side. It says Photoelectric smoke alarm, extra loud tone, 85 decibels. And says, I think that's the distance, which is 3 meters. And test button for function test. Easy to install, mounting materials and extractors included. And mono trade for protection certified by Care and Test Center. So you. And it is again in another language, but anyways, we're going to get this box open, and there it is again, and also it's a 3-year warranty. So yeah. And if you look there, there's a picture of smoke alarm, which actually has an LED behind the plastic cover there, which is quite cool. So I'll get this box opened, and let's think I'll try beat it. Right. No, I actually got some scissors here so I can open it gently. Just work my way through. There we go. Now we can open the box. Actually, let's see. There we go. Now we're getting the box opened. And look there it is. So first thing that you can see here is the mounting hardware. So put that aside. And there's the smoke detector with its included 9-volt battery. So here's the smoke detector. And apparently Storm came here to check what it is. So here it is. And here's the mounting bracket. Quite simple. Oh, here's the battery for it. It's a GP Super Cell, not for retail cell. And obviously it's a plain battery. And here it is. Now it has this wee pin here, so you see it goes down when you put the battery in, so you can't install it without whatever. And actually, this is actually and Siterwell smoke detector, which is surprising. I did not expect that. Even though it's a UNI smoke detector, it's actually Siterwell. And I already saw a couple of videos about those. So yeah. So going to put the smoke detector aside. And look what we have got here. And there's Storm. Oh no. So let's get out. There it is. Here's the instruction manual. So yeah. So here it is. UNI IAN 283702 smoke detector. Here's the instructions. And there's the instructions how to mount it and where you should mount it. There it is. So there's all the information, also in different languages. So yeah. So let's set that aside now and get the smoke detector. Now it is very small, so it is. I think the LED is located around there, but let's see. It's also very light as well, so let's see if I can get this open. Let's see if I can get open with the scissors. There you go. Be careful. Yeah, I think I got it. There we go. Yeah, there we go. Now we can get it out. This is really tricky and annoying. Is it? No. I think if I take this red ribbon out, yes, now I can get this annoying plastic cover off it. Just like that. Yeah, great. Ah, now I finally got it off, so here it is. Now, I never seen a grey GP battery before, so now let's get it plugged in. So I think this way this alarm might chirp as I plug it in. And let's see. This is fake tricky. There we go. Now let's see if I can get this in. I think it's there might be a design flaw of this. I can't get in. Yeah. Let's see. I think there might be a slight design flaw of this. Yeah, but it's on now, which is promising. Let's see if I can get this couple on. No, I can't because the battery's blocking it, but let's test it now. So, see this rate. So let's test it now in 3, 2, 1. So there you go. And it is very loud. So yeah. Now it sounds more like an fire angel smoke alarm. And if you look in there, you can see the LED that goes through there. And as it was going off, it was flashing. So there's 3 vents. Now unfortunately I can't get the mounting bracket on because of this battery sticking out, but well, oh no, hope you enjoyed this review guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification button. Bye.